the earlier classes we have learnt how to find square of a number and a square root also through Vedic method. So in this class we will find ways how we can work out the cube of a number, cube of a 2-digit number through Vedic method. Now before I explain what is written there, I have written the unit values here and the corresponding cube value I have written here. For people who are not aware of what is cube, cube is nothing but a number multiplied by 3 times. The value what you get is called the cube of a number. For example, when I want to find the cube of 2, I have to multiply 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. The value of that is 8. So 8 is the cube value of 2. Same way, if you want to find the cube value of say 6, I have to multiply 6 3 times, 6 into 6 into 6. That is the cube value of 6. When you multiply 3 times, you will get the net value as 216. So 216 is the cube value of 6. With this concept, now you understand what is the value of cube. For every unit digit, the corresponding cube value I have written it here, and I have written for 10 also, which is 1000. For 1 it is 1, for 2 it is 8, for 3 it is 27, for 4 it is 64, for 5 it is 125, for 6 it is 216, for 7 343, for 8 312, for 9 729, for 10 it is 1000. Okay, now we know the value of cube of any single digit number. If in case we have to find cube of a 2-digit number, let us represent it as AB. A is the 10th digit number and B is the unit digit number. I want to find the cube of AB cube. It is represented by the formula A cube as the first digit, 3A square B as the second digit, and 3AB square as the third digit, and B cube will be the fourth digit. If in case I try to work in the same way, I will get the correct answer. That won't be a problem. The process of calculation will be little bit longer and it takes more time. So we are finding a method by which this calculation can be made simpler. Let us understand how it is done. First I am writing A cube, A square B, AB square and B cube. This has line number 1. In this, the 3 is removed, the all others are brought in. A cube, A square B, AB square and B cube. This is line number 1. Line number 2 is the intermediate digits A square B and AB square. Just double that value and put it below. So when I double this, 2A square B. When I double this, 2AB square. This is line number 2. Now add line number 1 and 2. When I add them together, I will get A cube. The second digit will be 3A square B. Third digit will be 3AB square. And the fourth digit will be B cube. This I will call it as line number 3, which is nothing but addition of line number 1 and 2. This is same as what we are supposed to work out. Clear? Okay. Now again line number 1, instead of working out individually each and every digit like this, there is further a shortcut method by which we can work out much faster. Let us see how exactly it is done. Now A cube is something, it is a unit digit number, 10th digit of number here. We can find the value and put it here. Now the second digit here a square b, to arrive that what we are doing, we are working out a ratio called R. It is nothing but b by a, the unit digit divided by the 10th digit, b by a. That is what we call it as the ratio R. Now you take the first line. For the first line, the second digit, that is a square b. How we are arriving? Take the first digit, multiply by ratio R. What is the first digit? First digit is a cube. I am multiplying with R. R is nothing but b by a. A cube multiplied with b by a will give answer as a square b. That is nothing but the second digit. That is what I have written here, second digit. Now, how to arrive at the third digit? Third digit is, take the second digit, multiply by ratio again. The second digit is a square b. I have written here. R is b by a. A square b multiplied by b by a, it will give answer as ab square. Ab square is the third digit. That is what I have written here. To arrive at the fourth digit, take the third digit, multiply again by ratio R. When you multiply, ab square is the third digit. I multiply b by a, I get b cube. That is the fourth digit. That means, let me summarize in a simple way. In the first line, a cube I will take it from this, in this chart, and put the value there. Then to arrive at the second digit, I will multiply the first value by ratio R. We will work out this ratio first. And whatever is the value, that value will multiply the first digit. I will put that value here. That will be the second digit. The second digit again I will multiply with ratio R to get the third digit. The third digit again I will multiply with the ratio, I will make it as the fourth digit. The line 1 I will get it this way, very simple. Line 2 is very simple because I am just doubling the intermediate digits and put the value. For example, if I get the value here 10, I have to put 20 here. If I get 40 here, I have to put 80 here. Same way for the third digit also. Then add them. These two you add them. Then the balancing method will be applied to get the answer. If this symbolic representation is little bit confusing for any of you, we will take a problem, practical problem. Once you see the working there, then the entire method becomes very, very clear to all of you. Now let us take an example and work it out as per the formula whatever we arrived earlier. I am taking 36 as the number to find the cube value of it. 36 cube is the value what we have to find. Here a is the value of the 10th digit, which is 3. B is the unit value, which is 6. First let us find the ratio value. Ratio is b by a, that is 6 by 3. So ratio value is 2. We arrived at ratio value also. For the line 1, the first digit is going to be a cube. A cube is 3. So 3 cube is 27. I am writing the first digit value as 27, which is equivalent of a cube. Then what you have to do? Multiply the first digit by the ratio to get the second digit. When I multiply 27 into 2, 54 will become the second digit. Then the second digit will be multiplied again by ratio 2. It becomes the third digit, 108. Then the third digit again multiplied by ratio, it becomes the fourth digit, 216. Here you have to cross verify one point. The fourth digit is supposed to be b cube in the formula what we have given earlier. What is b cube? B cube is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. So we got the same answer here. The moment you get the same answer here, our line 1 working is correct. Always cross check the fourth digit whether it is exactly matching with B cube value. Then your line number 1 working is correct. Line number 2, as I said, is much simpler. The intermediate digits, just double it and put one below the other. 54 I am doubling 108. 108 I am doubling 216. I am putting it here. This is line number 2. Now I have to add line number 1 and 2, and the first digit will be 27. The second digit will be 54 plus 108, 162. The third digit will be 108 plus 216, 324. And the fourth digit will be 216. This is line number 3. This is where we have to apply the balancing method to get the answer. So, I am going to bring down the value of 6 down. The 21 will be carried to 4. It will become 25. I write 5 here. The 2 is carried along with 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. 34 added to 2, it becomes 36. I put 6 here, and 3 is carried along with 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 is carried to 7, 26. I will put 6 here, and 2 is carried here. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 46656 is the cube value of 36. Let us take one more example so that the concept becomes much more clearer for all of you. The second number what I am taking for working is 84 cube. In this, value of A is 8, value of B is equal to B. Ratio R is B by A, that is 4 by 8, which is equal to half. Ratio is half. We arrived at up to this point. The first digit is going to be A cube. What is A? 8. What is 8 cube? 512. So the first digit is 512. Now I will multiply with the ratio R the first digit to get the second digit. 512 multiplied with half, I will get 256 as the answer, that is the second digit. Then 256 will be multiplied with half again to get the third digit, that is 128. 128 is again multiplied with half to get the fourth digit, which is 64. As I said in the earlier case, remember the fourth digit represents B cube. What is B here? 4. What is 4 cube? 64. We are getting the same value 64 here. The moment you get this, our line 1 working is correct. The moment it is correct, the intermediate digits you put, double it and put it below. For 256, double the value is 512. For 128, double the value is 256. So this becomes line number 2. Adding line 1 and 2, the first digit is 512. Second digit, when I add these two numbers, I will get 768. The third digit, adding these two numbers, I will get 384. The fourth digit is 64. This is line number 3, and I have to apply the balancing method here. When I apply the balancing method, the 4 will come down. The 6 is carried forward to the next digit 4. It becomes 10. I put 0 here, and the 1 is carried along with 38. When I add 1 to 38, 39. 39 added to 8, it becomes 47. I put 7 here, and 4 is carried along with 76. 76 plus 4 is 80. 80 is added to 2, 82. So, I will write 2 here and the 8 is carried to 51. 51 plus 8 is 59. So, the answer is 592704. This is the answer for 84 cube. For any 2-digit number, simply follow the same system. Arrive at the ratio first, then the ratio will be used to find out the line number 1. Line number 2 is the intermediate digit doubles. Add them together, apply the balancing method. The matter is as simple as that. We will find the value of cube of any 2-digit number. Thank you.